Welcome back to another long overdue episode of Going In. It's been 2 years since the last upload. Quite a bit has happened. Bailey Brooke and I are still together. In fact, we got married over a year ago and we have one kid. We have another on the way. We're still retired from the mainstream porn industry. We basically just work with each other now for, OnlyFans and sites like that, and we're very happy about that. I am still involved with the porn industry as a producer. I'm still working with Bang.com, and Roadside.com has relaunched, so that's very exciting. But we have taken a vast turn from the high-paced porn life to the laid-back and more fulfilling life of being family and farm. So today we're going to take a nice, slow, deep breath and show you guys what we've done around here, because a lot's changed. The renovations on our 200-year-old farmhouse are still underway, but we have made quite a bit of progress in the last 2 years, and we don't see it coming to an end anytime soon. We've purchased 3 more parcels of land surrounding our property to expand our footprint. Our farm has grown immensely. We have 50 chickens, ducks, pigs, goats, turkeys, peacocks, a dog, and right alongside with our farm, our family is growing too. And the whole purpose of this farm is to feed our family. So the goal is, within 5 years to be self-sustainable here. We got an apple orchard, a vegetable garden, we have a fruit berry patch, and basically we're trying to not go to the grocery store. Live happy and healthy out here in the middle of nowhere in this little place that we like to call our slice of heaven. So let's go ahead and take a tour of the farm and get to meet all the animals and see what we got going on our property. It's feeding time. You see, everybody on the farm here loves love. This is my boy right here. He's a Nubian goat. He's the most loyal, friendly guy on the farm. He never leaves my side. I can go anywhere, he'll follow me. After he itches, of course. Checking out the camera up there is Susie. She's a Nigerian dwarf. Her sister right here is Sally. These two guys are brothers. And then there's Toot Toot's mate right there, coming out of his stall, hash brown. And he's trying to achieve a certain goal here. Making bacon, baby, making bacon. I know, dude. I know. I was gone too long. What was it, an hour? Let's check out the chicken coop. The old purpose of all this is this right here, 100% homegrown grade A chicken egg. Breakfast, fried rice, you name it. Eat a lot of these per day. These guys in here aren't of age to lay yet. Our laying hens are outside for the day getting bugs and foraging so that they get a nice diverse diet. These guys still have a couple months before they're laying, but our laying hens are Rhode Island Reds, Brahmas so far, and Baird Necks, Baird Bottoms. And then these guys, come springtime, will be laying too, so we'll be getting about 50 eggs a day. I don't know if you guys know this, but chickens lay an egg a day in the spring, so we will get 50 total chickens, we'll get 50 total eggs per day, and that keeps us well fed. We also sell eggs at a farmer's stand and at the farmer's market. So It's nice. Do some exchanges. We get beef tallow for eggs and certain veggies that I can't grow here for eggs. So it's a nice little, basically a co-op. People helping people. What's up, guys? So this is our veggie garden. Grow the majority of our spring vegetables in here. We got spinach, lettuce, Brussels sprouts, beets, onion, whole herb garden. All of our peppers have since perished since the frost. We got broccoli, strawberries, garlic, onion, and we try to source this as the majority of our vegetable intake throughout the spring and summer. These are our big beautiful turkeys. Almost ready for dinner. We have 2 turkeys. Look, see, these guys will never leave me alone. I know, I love you too. I love you too. We got a male and female pig, hoping to breed piglets. Behind me you have some Rhode Island Reds and some American Peking ducks. Up at the camera you have a Nigerian dwarf goat who's dead set on knocking you guys over. Hey, don't do that. What, you guys want camera time? Here you go. It's your time to shine. I built this by myself in the fall. It is a koi pond and a home for our peacocks. So this wasn't designed to be a peacock enclosure. This is actually just for a koi pond. And then I bought the peacocks after the fact, and they're a wonderful addition. They're juveniles, they're only 8 months old. It takes 3 years for the male to get his full plumage. He's an Indian blue pied, and he's got his mate up on the roost there. So we will have peacock chicks here, I don't know, in about 3 years. Don't you spook those peacocks. They're quite friendly, and they've really come accustomed to this enclosure, which is called the seiki. So you say seiki iyokoso, which is Japanese for welcome to the sanctuary. That's where the koi pond and all the Japanese foliage is. Foliage? Peacocks. Come on. Yeah, go get him. Go get him. Good boy. This is one of the many trails on our property. We initially had this, but we purchased 3 more tracks in the back from a logging company to keep the woods. We are going to eventually take this section of the woods out, use it for firewood, and put in a second barn here for dairy goats, beehive, and meat chickens. All the chickens up front are pets, and they're for eggs, so we're not going to be eating those. What are you doing back there? We have a bunch of deer that live on our property, and we feed them just about over there, and they come out of the woods every night, and we get to see them. That's a beautiful sight. Come here. Blue loves these woods. He chases the deer off sometimes, but come on, come say hi. But there's no shortage of wildlife out here. We don't have any bears. There's no wolves. Come here, come here. We do have raccoons, possums, coyotes. Good boy, good boy. You do me a favor, don't roll in deer poop? Yeah, don't roll in deer poop. Come on.
Yeah, come on, good boy, good boy.
Let's go for a tour around the woods.
In the middle of the woods. This is a very classified name. We call it the picnic table. It's beautiful out here. It's a much different lifestyle than living in Miami. I don't miss Miami at all. I came here with Bailey 3 years ago and I stepped foot and I said, this is home. I want to live amongst the trees and nature and spend my days doing shit like this. So it's been great. It's been a really, really good time. Couldn't have asked for a better partner in life than Bailey, I'll tell you. She's absolutely amazing. Just sit out here like this all day. All right. See you guys on the next episode. Peace. Ready, boy?